Toronto received one of the biggest snowstorms in history, and this is my experience going out and almost getting stuck. Where the hell I am? It's snowing, man. It's a great show of nature going out there. I'm not gonna lie. Let's have a look. Let's have a closer look. Let me get my coffee. Don't you want to come out? Come on, see the beauty of this world. The temperature right now is -8. It's quite snowy. It's beautiful. Welcome back. This is another vlog and quite cold outside, as you can see. One thing about me is that I love every season. The reason I say it is because every season has its own pros and cons. I know people would kill me for saying this in Canada that I'm loving winters, but I do love winters. I need to walk in this weather, so let's prepare for it. God, I love that. Let's get ready and let's face this freaking snowstorm. I like to do extreme things and why not? As long as I'm prepared for it. I'm not gonna lie for it, okay? I'm just getting out of my house and look at this. We cleaned this earlier. Look at this. Now snowing, I can throw it around. Holy smokes. This is Toronto right now and we are going downstairs. Let's go. Let's do it. Alright. Whoa, that's a lot of snow, I think. Where the hell I am? This is a different dystopia now. I have never seen this amount of snow ever in downtown, ever before. It's quite exciting. We're going from the other side because this part is not quite walkable. So we're gonna take the main streets. Look at that. It's a lot of snow. Okay, see you at the location we are going to, alright?
Privileged to know you, and from this point on, your delight is my delight. Baby blue, baby blue.
This is insane. Quite insane. It's so white. This is whiter than white. This is such white. इतना snow अपनी जिंदगी में मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. The fuck? So this is so different than usual. I think I need boots which are long because मेरे पैर पूरे अंदर चले गए. I really can't feel them. And see, I can play like this.
I'm glad you breathe my energies, but like yours, be assured.
घर आ गया भाई.
Look at that.
टमाटर बन गया भाई मैं. Nice one, bro. Nice. I mean, this looks so cool, eh? Hand model बन सकता है वासु. अब आइए. Cheers. My gosh, what is that, bro? What is that?
That's Bailey's.
तेरे पास क्या है? पानी पूरी का पानी cheers कर रही है bro.
अरे उसको छेद तो कर दो दीदी.
किधर आ रहे हो?
Cheers. Yes sir, there you go.
Nice.
मजा आ गया bro. Vasu boy cleaning snow in his balcony. Snow cleaner. वो penguin है वो बंदा. But he's not in a great spot. We're done for the day. There we go. Chalo bhai. Bye. 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 मैं घर से गया था. I'm coming back here. Lot of snow. At least the way is paved in. I was back home yesterday. So yeah, I just woke up. My balcony, as I said, it's not looking that nice. I might just clean it up. But thanks for watching my vlog. Yesterday it was really intensive. I wouldn't walk through the snow again until I'm really prepared to walk through it. I think I was kind of prepared for downtown snow, but I went outside downtown, which is not the same. So yeah. Lesson learned. Now on that note, thanks again for watching my vlog. I hope you guys have an amazing day and take care of yourself. Bye.